tell pam
Boom
pussy.
boom.
I lie them a tell pam pussy.
Yo.
Where pussy do you?
Yo.
I lie them a tell pam pussy.
Oh, Mr. What's up, YouTube? Baby, man, before the video begins, me have a song I want to go check out. Artist named Shellings, song called Can't Tame People. Listen to that song. The man have a new style. The man come from mash up a whole lot of dancer people. Go check out Shellings right now. Link pin in the comment section to the song it, you know. I'm not hear it, you know, but guess I'm not gonna hear it right now. Blah!
Pull up at the stoplight. Girl, I suck my cock, not the front, got the Benz, not the traffic. Guns and shots, man, a traffic. 3 girl, me have a give me head plus scratches. Atchie. Squatty a run spot check, but man, cash it, watch it. Can't make the boy find the machine. Matches blade, chicks in chain. A cokehead walk with matches. Good from town, girl, in a psycho pack. Look on me one year and tell your mind your job. So easy you fall in a love, now your man a search in your hand, can't find your back. Why chip link? Stone in my walk a kick. I be a butt in my walk a pick up.
Go check out Shellings. Song a shell on your place right now. Can't Tame. Link pin in the description. Link pin in the comment section. Go over this. You see me I say DJ Treasure over the side there. Bad bomb clap piece of song. Bad piece of song. Look at me here, watch it. Pull up on the stoplight. I'm gone. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. We're back in effect. What? We're back in effect with another video for you guys. People, right now, people, we have Skillibeng, bang, 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 bang. That's saying our old song still, you know, 9 months ago. But me never hear it yet. Me see Eastside share it a while ago. You might say, no, you get share it, you could think on YouTube and see pop up. Yeah. So me I say, what? How many know the song? It's song is titled, people. I lie them I tell. You hear me I say, I start listening to the song and I say, just start it alone. You're not going to see what I talk about. You listen to the teaser already. Song bad. But you know more to do right now. More to tear up the like button. Mash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Welcome to the most lit reaction channel on YouTube. You understand me? If anybody else do it that way, I come and flash. You don't know. Boom, buckler. But hear me, man. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I posted. I will post every single day over here. So you understand me? And a public interview is going to be posted on my other channel. It's called More Tyrekevlogs. Subscribe. I'm going to ask you on the motor road. If you're going to talk to a man and don't have the pum pum. You hear me I say? But anyways. Skillibeng. Lie them I tell. Lie them I tell. I lie them I go tell every day. You hear me I say, man? Run tune.
Is it? I lie them a tell pam
Boom
pussy.
boom.
I lie them a tell pam pussy.
Yo.
Where pussy do you?
Yo.
I lie them a tell pam pussy. I lie them a tell pam pussy.
Yo, just a start. Yo, me not lie. That's alone me here and say, you don't react to that song. Me gonna react to that song, brother. Run tune.
Where pussy do you? Your uncle have one girl, easy, no bad man. Stop talk like say you're full of option.
Hey,
When you a call my name,
pull up a party.
them a tell pam pussy. Where pussy do you? Your uncle have one girl, easy, no bad man. Stop talk like say you're full of option.
Alright.
When you a call my name to the girl for like me and you a big friend.
Yeah.
Little watch man, you just know how to watch.
Hey, yo, pull up. You the man them out there if you stop telling like pum pum dog. You not get no pum pum. I one girl out, someone not have no girl. And that's how to get the most girl in this way. You not no girl. You not get no from a pum pum. Stop telling like pum pum. Run tune.
Is it? I lie them a tell pam pussy.
Yeah.
I lie them a tell pam
I
pussy.
2020 now, dog. When you start telling like pum pum. Left after high school days.
I lie them a tell pam pussy.
Alright then.
I lie them a tell pam pussy. Where pussy do you? Your uncle have one girl, easy, no bad man. Stop talk like say you're full of options. When you a call my name to the girl for like me and you a big friend.
Imagine one girl here going to have whole heap of options. Then like I use Skillibeng bang name. Forget the girl like your Skillibeng a big friend. Skillibeng even know you. Yo, go on.
Little watch man, you just know how to watch crotch. Use my name, forget girl and flap. She DM me IG, I say for WhatsApp, chew ye.
Imagine this now. And watch man return now. You know the man that call man them watch your pumps. Watch your pumps boy them. Cause you know want me take with them girl. So them watch your pumps. I like them I tell pam pum pum. Stop tell like pam pum pum. Run tune.
Yeah, go on like Manda. Them a full girl head with fuckery.
Yeah.
And I left a fat pussy them abandoned.
Yeah.
Chat. Both them a gangster.
Yeah.
Girl chat say slower than golf cat.
What?
Watch ya. Big Oscar actor.
Yeah.
Mascot. The man a show girl glock. Lizard lap girl.
Idiot boy, them have to show a girl gun forget little pumps there. Them man not no style. Them not no pattern. Them if you go learn something, yo. Them if you go learn something, yo. Yo. Yo, if you read a song, brother, tap the like button. Drop the fire emoji in the comment section. You know the routine now. Drop the fire emoji in the comment section right now. Run the rest of the
We get on back shot. I'm a gla. Pose with girl, I'm not one. I'm done. Seafood, Walter.
Pick up Walter one time.
Girl for one knock. I'm madras. Me rather tell a girl go on. Now pose and me no see no camera. Full of action.
You hear the man, Brad? You hear the man, Brad, with him lyrics them? The man say murder tell a girl go on, cause him not posing no girl and him can't see the camera. He not posing no girl. The man say not turn no one burner. Multiple pum pum out there. Multiple pum pum. Run tune.
Up top, I'm gonna have to lose every day like cash pot. When I roll out the ink on the asphalt. Girl gone, dance stone. I lie them and tell pam pussy.
Yo, you hear the man just say a while ago. You hear the man say me I'm gonna lose every day like cash pot. Cause some people buy cash pot every single day. People, well, I have to say this phone now. Some people buy cash pot every single day and never win not even once. And them still a buy it, you know. Why? Because I lie them I tell pump there. Them ride out the yang pan the asphalt. Go on, Skillibeng.
I lie them I tell pam pussy. The pussy do you? I lie them I tell pam pussy. I lie them I tell pam pussy. The pussy do you?
Hey.
Charging no girl can't say me ever go down. But she probably tell us me don't joke.
Yeah.
What you mean like I feel hope no?
Yeah.
If I no fuck she mean she have to go.
Man, no.
And I said go so I need to go so.
Yeah.
Chat so much and girl I say you're frozen cool.
Buckley. You see this now? Instead of him try to tell life on the girl, them go him say that if the girl them can't tell life on him either. I like him and make on know. What them know about Skillibeng? But I'm here, I'm not know how for me just you do me I say. 1 year what are you growing this anyway, by the way, if everybody asks. Just 1 year, you do me? You don't know chop a lie, them I tell pam pum pum still. We don't tell no lie pam pums. Cause we love pum pum. As teacher would have say, run
I couldn't license, I can't put more. We program me girl them like robot. Them a tell lie from pussy that a fuckery. And I left a fat pussy them abandoned. I chat, both them a gangster.
he bun me for them, you know. I left a fat smurf them abandoned that. Like, why you not do that? Why you don't left a fat smurf abandoned? You know no style, you know no pattern, and so you not get no girl. Stop left the pum pum them abandoned, brother. I want me to know, man. Sure.
Girl chat say slower than golf cat. Watch ya, big Oscar actor.
Big actor boy that
Glock. Lizard lap, girl forget and back shot. I'm a glad pose with girl, I'm not one. I'm done. Seafood, Walter. You know wait long from girl for one knock.
Big up Eastside one time. Big up everybody who check out that video. I tell them I say thanks for checking out the kids video. You hear me? Now go and subscribe to the channel and go and stay tuned for some more lit content because I'm well for content and forward. You know, I say well it means something forward like all. Right from a minute from now or less from now. Because what? Tyreek is out here to play. And ladies, look out. What's your name? You know me I post a video today about a girl who now smash her pass where she passed me but me not come from Jamaica. Watch me and yo. Me I make the video right. No.